Nagsimula ang saya at nagsimulang umulan ng panalo.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 1, wala. Wala na, 5.
Sa Season 2, umibog ang puso habang sinusubok ang tapang sa 1-minute challenge. Pagdating ng Season 3, naramdaman ang kilig kasama ang mga special guests na nagbibigay kulay sa bawat kwento. At noong Season 4, wala ng preno. All out na ang kulitan. Walang humpay na tawanan.
Joel at sa twin po, sa kambal po. Thank you po sa inyo. Pinigano po.
At ngayon, pinagsama-sama na ang lahat. Mas makwento, mas masaya, mas panalo. Welcome to Okay Panalo Season 5, Kaluk Kwentuhan. Kaloka sa saya, kaloka sa panalo. Okay fam, Okay Panalo Season 5 na. Kaluk Kwentuhan. Kaloka sa saya, kaloka sa panalo. And here's your host, Joel.
And there you have it, guys! What's up? Okay, fam! Magandang tanghali po sa lahat ng nanonood sa ating bagong-bagong kasama tuwing katanghalian. Walang iba, of course, this is Okay Panalo Season 5, Kaluk Kwentuhan. Ayan, guys! Again, this is Kaluk Kwentuhan, kaloka sa saya, kaloka sa panalo. Again, this is your host, Joel. Nagbabalik po para sa inyo na namang panibagong pagkakaguluhan ngayong tanghali. Since ngayong tanghali lang naman ay naglo-launch prank ang mga Okay Fam natin. Gusto ko lang sabihin na Happy Tuesday sa lahat po ng nanonood sa atin ngayong live. Ayan. Sino ba yung mga busy nating Okay Fam na nandyan sa comment? Ayan, si AJ Agrama. Maraming salamat po sa pag-share ng ating live. Thank you so much. Kim Lazaga, Jusmine Lee. Ano yun? Jusmine? Si Jusmine. Iba yung spelling ng Jusmine niya. Jusmine Lee Zambrano Rosario. Maraming salamat po again, guys. Meron ulit tayong caller for today. Kaya naman, sundin ng maayos ang ating mechanics para kayo ang maging lucky caller for today. Ayan, si Mark Lister Velasco among... Ano yun? Ay, iba pala yun. Mali! Iba pala yun. Iba yung nabasa ko. Sorry guys, wala pala siya dito sa ating comment section. Kim Lazaga, don't share. Sana po matawagan po pang panimula ng maliliit na negosyo. Maliliit. Maliliit na negosyo. Gaano po ba kaliliit na negosyo niyan? Ayan, sana matawagan gastos po namin sa pandagdag gastos po namin sa araw-araw. Grabe naman, naghanap ka pa ng pagkakagastosan mo araw-araw. Kayo talaga. Pero guys, again, bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko lang ipaalala na OG Games is a trusted partner of the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PARCOR in promoting responsible gaming, and it's duly approved by the Philippine government. Guys, in short, tayo dito ay legit. Ayan na, binibigyan ko kayo ng sayo. Umpisa pa lang o kasi mamaya, ito na ating huling beses na magtatagal. Sulitin na natin, guys. Maraming salamat po again sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Sino na ba yung mga... Nako, ilan na ba ang comment section natin at ilan na ba ang ating share? Nako, nakaiinis talaga ako. Hindi nyo na naman ako... Nagbabalik na nga ako dito. Hindi nyo ba ako namimiss, guys? I-share nyo na yan. Mag-comment kayo ng ating ng ating format dahil mawawala na naman tayo for the meantime. Magpapaalam tayo ng mabilis-bilis lang naman. So, guys, ano pa? Bigyan nyo naman ako ng maraming comment today at saka maraming share. Ay, ilan na ba tayo? Si La Chica, di ba? La Chica. I-share mo na yan. 10 times dapat. Para marami tayong share today. And of course, para sa ating mga dyan, gustong maging lucky caller today, naku, kailangan yung sundin ng tama ang ating mechanics. Ngayon naman kayo ay mapapabilib dahil nga, guys, diba, kalukwentuhan natin, lagi tayong may guest dito na hindi nyo ine-expect. Kasi nga, ang mga guest natin ay mga sikat na personalidad, singer, actor, athlete, at sigurado akong kilala nyo sila. Feeling ko nakita nyo na sila sa post pa lang natin sa official Facebook page ng OK Games. Sure ako, nakilala nyo na siya. Kaya naman guys, mag-comment kayo sino nga ba yung hula nyo na guest natin for today. Dapat dapat tama, correct spelling para para bawal kasi magkamali guys. Bawal magkamali sa paghula ng pangalan. Okay guys, again, mag-comment kayo ng mga hula nyo. Tingnan natin kung may nakahula na ba ng tamang sagot, ng tamang pangalan. Habang naghuhula kayo guys, we have a promotion about iPhone 17 Pro. Grabe naman, namimigay si OK Games ng iPhone 17 Pro. Ang ating mechanics, so full mechanics na makikita natin sa official Facebook page. I-search nyo lang po yung ating Facebook page. Ito po, mismo, yung nagla-live. I-check nyo lang po yung ating comment, yung mga posts natin dyan. Makikita nyo dyan yung full mechanics. Paano nga ba manalo ng iPhone 17 Pro? Tama, Pro. Oo. Fully paid. Fully paid. And of course, guys, again, we have OK Angels. Sa OK Angels natin, guys, napakarami nang makasali sa OK Angels. It's time also para kayo naman ang mag-decide kung sino nga ba ang makakapasok sa semifinals. Abangan natin yan sa pagbabalik ng... Naging PBB. Yan, guys, again, abangan yung ating OK Angels. Mamaya ata ang hindi, wala pala. Wala pa tayong official announcement. Oo. Basta abangan yung OK Angels sa ating official Facebook page. Ayan, napapanood yung video natin. Ayan, ang gagaling nila, di ba? Make sure guys, syempre, na makiboto kayo sa ating mga OK Angels. Kasi ang gagaling nila and talagang very talented. Ayan guys, shoutout po sa ating 1,500 viewers. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa ating live. Everyday nyo na lang akong pinapakilig guys. Grabe kayo sa mga nanonood. Iparamdam nyo naman yan sa share at comments. Wow, grabe. Sobrang demanding na segue. Anyways guys, again, salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Thank you so much po. And huwag kayong magsawang sumuporta sa ating kalukwentuhan dahil marami pa po tayong episode at marami pa po tayong ipamimigay sa mga susunod na araw. So guys, watch out. Okay, eto na. Ang sakit na lalamunan ko. Ready na ba kayo guys? Sa kasi... Ayan pinapahirapan ako ng mga natin ng mga DJ dito. Okay guys, nakapag-comment na ba kayo? Titingin na tayo dito. Pero bago yan guys, paano nga ba makasali at manalo para ng 300 pesos para sa ating Kaloka viewers at cash prize naman para sa ating Kaloka caller na up to 50,000 pesos. Narito po ang ating mechanics. Una sa lahat guys, huwag kakalimutan like and share the OK Games official Facebook page. Mag-comment ng don't share plus username and then yung phone number. And make sure po nalalagyan niya ng reason bakit kayo ang dapat tawagan namin. And for more details, pwede nyo tingnan ang caption natin para sa mas mabilis na paraan. Yan ay ang pag-check out sa ating Coco Cart, guys. Napakadali lang po ng ating mechanics. So check nyo na po ang ating comment section ngayon. For commenters naman, guys, sa mga hindi mapipili, huwag kayong mag-alala. Bibigyan ko kayo ng show. Pasasayahin ko kayo. De, joke lang. Pwede kayong manalo pa rin ng 300 pesos by just liking and sharing OK Games official Facebook page and comment ng round number, username, and then yung answer ninyo. Guys, again, meron tayong round number or username and then yung answer nyo ha. Kasi nga meron kaming question for each round. Kailangan nyo yung sagutin. Wow, guys, we are now at 4,000. Ay, tumiyok. We are now at 4,800 viewers. Grabe. Pinapakakinig. Pinaglalaroan ako ng mga DJ dito. Nakakapagod. Umpisa pa lang ng ano. Diba? Umpisa pa lang, guys, ha. Oh, anyways, guys, again, dahil nakapag-comment ng lahat at nakita ko naman nag-enjoy kayo, hindi na natin puputulin yan. Mag-enjoy kayo lalo dahil may papakilala ko. Pababa. May papakilala ko, guys. May papakilala akong guest natin today. And speaking of guest, eto, ano to, international ang level natin ngayon, di ba? Talagang, hindi, ewan ko ba, mapapasabak. Ito na nga, guys. Ito na ang huling pagtatagalog ko. Joke lang. Guys, again, ang ating kalukwentuhan, guys, ay iba-iba. May singer, actor, may athlete. So this time, ang guest natin ay isang sand artist. Charot lang, hindi. Athlete siya. Okay, guys, so ito na nga. Kaya naman ipakilala na natin ng ating kalukwentuhan guest for today. Again, guys, pwede kayong humula ng pangalan niya sa ating comment section. So make sure na tama ang pangalan na inyong ilalagay. So, eto na. Wala na ba tupik-tupik pa? Guys, please welcome our kalukwentuhan guest for today. Pasok! Ayan, guys. So, ayan, mag-comment na kayo. Patingin ng mga comment section. Ano nga ba at sino nga ba? May nagsabi, James. James Yap? Bakit po may James? Hindi po James Yap. Sinong James po? Ayan, guys. Again, kailangan nyo mag-comment ng correct na pangalan bago natin i-reveal. Pag wala pa ako nakikitang correct name, hindi natin siya i-reveal. Ayan. Wala pa. Patingin nga ng comment section. Sino nga bang nagsabi na ng tama? Wala pa. Lebron? Hindi natin sure. Sige. Eto na. Bronny James. Ay, iba naman. Grabe naman. Iba-iba kayo ng ano, ha? Iba-iba kayo. Sabi Aura. Okay. I think it's time na para makilala natin ang ating kalukwentuhan guest for today. So now, eto na. Simulan na ng English. Okay, guys. Please welcome our kalukwentuhan guest for today. Kindly introduce yourself now. In 3, 2, 1.
Yo guys, what's up? My name is Scott, aka LeBron Nampinas. Salamat guys.
Wow, guys! Please welcome our guest for today. Walang iba, of course, LeBron James. Grabe, sabi, I'll change my position. I thought I'm going to be taller when I change my position. Anyways, guys, welcome LeBron James to Kalukwentuhan. How are you?
I'm so excited. I'm doing good. I'm so happy to be here for the first time. So the energy is good. So I'm so happy. I'm so thankful for
You're
being
so happy going there. You know what? We were going to have fun today, and not just fun because we're also giving prizes to the viewers. Yes.
here. Oh, that's very nice, guys.
Yes.
That's very nice.
Yes, and you will be our guest and also the helper of the caller. So now let's see it because I cannot see myself because you are too tall for me. So Ayan guys, everyone, okay fam, napakahirap po ng trabaho natin today. Mag-i-English tayo. Pero guys, again, pwede kayong sumali para maging caller natin. So, LeBron,
Yes.
can you greet our okay fam? We call the viewers okay fam. Okay family in longer version, but in short, it's okay fam. Can you greet them since it's a lunchtime and to just sit back and relax and watch us? Can you greet them now?
Okay, guys. First, okay fam, right?
Okay fam, yes.
Yeah, okay fam. So, Madame Salamat Salahat, thank you to just be here right now. I know it's a lunchtime, right? So you guys already eating, enjoy with your family, with your friends. So I'm gonna say thank you to you. Have a happy lunchtime. So let's have a fun, guys. Thank you so much.
Grabe, nagtatagalog pala.
Sobra konti lang, bro.
Wow, si LeBron James, guys, nagtatagalog. Kakalain nyo yun. LeBron James, nagtatagalog. Pero LeBron,
Yes.
I just wanted to ask, how long have you been here in the Philippines?
I'm here in the Philippines quite long right now. So going to 7 to 8 years already.
Wow! Si LeBron pala yung nakandito sa Pilipinas. Taga dito pala siya. Where you live here in the Philippines?
Paranaque.
Paranaque,
Yes,
tinan mo,
Paranaque.
guys. Talaga NCR lang pala si
Yes.
taga South lang pala si LeBron James. But LeBron James, I have a few questions for you before we formally start our games for today. So, since we all know you are the legend in terms of basketball, especially in NBA. So, what are with all the years you're playing in NBA, what continues to give you the motivation to play at the highest level? Always at the highest level.
Oh, actually, it's a pretty more nice question. The first thing is I just have fun.
Yeah.
I just have fun. So what I love more, basketball, energy and everything. So since from the high school, I put my 100% on the game. So basketball is one of the first thing I really enjoy. So I feel great after the game and out of the game. So that's the thing. I just have fun. I just keep going with the flow, get energy, keep inspiring some people around. That's it.
Yes, and you know what, LeBron, basketball in the Philippines is one of the biggest sports.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why Filipino loves not just NBA but the whole basketball community. So Filipino, of course, I know loves LeBron James. So I know that most of the comment section there are basketball fans. So they're saying that this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Guesting LeBron James on our noontime show. That's very new.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! That's a straight English. But for me, it's
Yeah.
I'm very
I'm
happy
sorry
to.
for that. I'm sorry for that.
No, it's okay. Of course, it's a pleasure to be to interview the king. Wow. The king. Wow. If you're the king, I'm the queen. Joke lang. Just kidding. Oh, by the way, you have a wife, right?
Yeah, I do have. I took it as well.
So you have a son also.
Two, yeah.
Your son's name is Bronny James. So what does it feel to like to be in the NBA and play alongside your son Bronny James? So it's both father and a teammate. How do you balance those two roles? So you play you got to play with your son Bronny James, I think.
Yeah, actually, something that is I'm so grateful for that.
Mhm.
I'm so grateful for that to share what I love with the next generation, especially with my kids. To share the court with my kids, I still enjoy it. Now back to family after that. Sometimes challenging because actually right now I'm like 41-year-old.
Yeah,
So
I know.
I'm fighting with the fatherhood. Yeah, the fatherhood. Then
The
also
fatherhood.
The fatherhood and also the business. When you talk about business, talk about sports. So sometimes challenging, but I'm still enjoy it. I'm still having fun.
Yes.
So it's not that too much challenging for me as well. Thank you.
You like the fatherhood, I like the motherhood. I like to be mother. Joke, I'm just kidding.
And it's all good. It's all
I'm just
good.
kidding and joking.
Yeah, so
But
fun.
LeBron James, speaking of your son, Bronny
Yeah.
James, do you have any? Did you ask him what is his plan in his career for a long-term career for basketball, or you don't have any idea? Because you know what, kids are just they have their own. They wanted to do what they want.
Actually, it's a pretty more nice question. Regarding to Bronny, we have some conversation together, but since he's already moved to his own side, I will not pressure him about everything.
Yeah,
so for
I
sure,
know.
he has his own plan. So I just always tell him that to just keep enjoy. I always be on his back to support him, whatever's gonna happen. So as for right now, I have no idea. I don't know
Yeah,
what
I
his plan.
see.
So I just keep supporting them. Just keep moving forward.
Yeah, that's like what fathers do.
Yeah,
Just keep supporting. But speaking of supporting,
Yes.
Pilipino has been supporting you since you got your championship. So speaking of championship, among your championship games, which one is the most special to you, and why? Of course.
Actually, those four championship is they're all good for me, right?
Yeah, I
they're
know.
all on the same level. The battle was the same. So
But which one is your favorite championship?
the most favorite championship is the back when I back home. Back to
When you're
Cleveland.
back home.
Yeah, 2016 with Cleveland.
2016.
Yeah, with Cleveland. That's the most grateful one. But anyway, all of the fours doing good. But this 2016 is the most best one for me.
Yeah. I don't know though because I haven't been born yet. Just kidding.
Yeah, it is.
How many MVP do you have?
4 times.
4-time MVP. Like it's a 4 feet.
Yeah.
Speaking of feet, what is your shoe? What is the size of your feet?
Actually, my size 16.
Oh wow, it's big. It's
Somehow.
big. Somehow, yeah.
Yes.
And speaking of big, we will give big prizes today.
Really?
You know that. You know big prizes. We will give to our audience big prizes, yeah, and you will be our helper later for a lot of questions that our caller will be answering. So, speaking of that, later you will do your like a mini talent portion.
Oh,
Yeah,
So
you
excited
didn't
for
expect that. I know you
I
didn't
know,
expect
that
that.
wasn't on my plan,
Yeah,
but
you
let's
always
see.
do basketball and
Yeah,
things, but
yeah.
later we're gonna do a one-on-one tutorial of basketball. You have to teach me basketball.
1-on-1.
Yeah, I try. I'll try my best.
Yeah, that's
I'll
good.
try.
Let's see how that we want.
Ayan. Also guys, again mag-comment kayo. Ito na ha. Parang kailangan maputol natin yung mag-English ko. Nababago na ako. Anyways guys, again mag-comment kayo para maging caller natin for today. Again, pwede kayo maging caller natin. Make sure lang na tama ang inyong format on how to join as a lucky caller for today. Again guys, ayan, uminom muna akong tubig. Again guys, tatawag para magsimula ang ating Season 5. Tayo ay tatawag ng maswerteng caller today. Kaya abang-abang lang kayo, okay fam. Make sure po na tama ang inyong format sa inyong mga phones dahil baka kayo na ang maging kalukwentuhan caller of the day. Ayan. So habang wala pa tayong caller, ayan, wait lang. Ano ba yung hindi ko na kikita yung number, nawala. Ayan, sige. Okay guys, again, wala pa kaming caller ha. Make sure po na kung mag-comment kayo ng tama para naman makita namin kung sino ang pinaka-deserving to win 50,000 cash.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot. Of course, you know,
That's a lot.
in the Philippines, there's it's a lot because inflation is very just kidding. Inflation is very high here in the Philippines. How about in the US?
It's another level then.
Okay. Okay, anyway, so guys, again, para lang sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, meron na lang kayong ilang minuto para makapag-comment para sa ating lucky caller for today kasi nga maya-maya lang po tatawag na kami. Pero bago ang lahat, guys, eto po ang ating mechanics. Ayan. Lebron, this is can you do me a favor? Can you read our mechanics? Yeah, this one.
Okay, actually for right now, especially
Your eyes, you cannot see. At least you're good at basketball. But for the mechanics, guys, napakasimple lang. Like and share the OK Games official Facebook page. Check out 100 credits on the Coco Card. Just search okgames.cococart.co and then comment Donshare plus username, yan, then your phone number, and then reason bakit kayo ang dapat tawagan. That's so simple. They just watch our live and then they comment their username and then reason why they deserve to win. Yeah, that's okay.
so fast than me, bro.
I know that. No, it's okay. You're the guest here, so I'm supposed to yeah. I'm supposed to do everything like mate.
But But
Just
I feel like,
kidding.
yeah, I feel like home here. I feel like family.
Yeah,
Here.
you know what? You're sitting on our sofa.
Really?
Yeah, that's where I sleep every afternoon. Yeah, because here we don't have bed. We only have sofa.
So it's here you pass like.
Yeah, I sleep there.
Oh,
Where do you where of course your bed is
Too big,
big.
too big, that's
Yeah,
the
you're too
problem.
big for this sofa, but this is good. You feel it?
yeah,
It's-
it's good. I
yeah.
feel good. It's like comfortable somehow.
Yeah. Yes. Woo! Hira. Anyways, guys, again, we will call our caller for today. Make sure po ng inyong mga phone has a signal. Naging pa English ako sa mga okay pa. Make sure yung cellphone nyo ay merong signal and dapat po tama ang inyong username at ang inyong mga phone numbers. Kasi kung hindi natin itutuloy itong ating joke lang. So guys, okay, let's call our caller for today. Ayan. So we will call now our live viewers today. So, okay. Ayan guys, tumatawag na kami ng aming lucky caller for today. Sana sagutin niya. Hello? Okay, wala pa. Dial. Make sure guys, you have signal sa inyong mga phones. Yes, so we can call you. Ayan. Again guys, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-comment dyan, naku, pwede pa kayong manalo dahil may chance kayong manalo ng 300 cash. Ay, ayan. Hello? Is anybody there? Charit. Hello? Ay, Chappy, mother. Mother! Pwede ba makahanap ka ng signal? Malakas-lakas na signal? Hello? Ay, naku. Mother, do you have hello? We can hear you, mother naman. Pero medyo mahina yung signal. Sige, tataas natin. Ito baka ito yung problema. Hello?
Shout already.
Hello? Hello? Mother, ganito. Tatawagan kita ulit. And then, maghanap ka ng signal, okay? Tapos, mother, wag ka nang manood ng live. Mag-call na lang tayo. Hello? Okay, sige. Let's try again. Maybe,
One more chance.
yeah, one more try with her.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. Oh, she already answered. So basically, she is already our winner. So guys, for all the commenters dyan, make sure po na you have signal on your phone. Kasi if wala, nako po, hindi tayo magpo-proceed sa ating call. Pero since sumagot na po si Madam, kung itatry na natin siyang tawagan. Oo. Ayan. I think it's ringing louder. Hello! Hello! How are you, Madam? Hello! How are you?
Narinig ko po kayo.
Naririnig mo kami? Sige nga. Sino ako? Sino po? Ay, nako ma'am. Huwag ka muna manood ng live para hindi nag-feedback yung signal kasi medyo delayed yung live natin. So, ayan. How are you? How are you? In English. Madam. Hello? Huwag ka muna manood ng live. So, walang feedback, walang delay. Kasi, focus ka lang sa call, madam.
Nakanin po ako sa inyo eh. Kasi nakita ko kayo live nyo. Matagal na akong sumasali sa inyo.
Okay. She said that she's she's trying to join as a lucky caller every day. Like, for the long time already. But this is her first time to be called. Yeah, she's lucky. This is your day, madam. Madam, ano pong pangalan nyo muna? Hello? Nawala siya. Hello, madam! Okay. Hello. Hindi niya ako naririnig.
Should be there.
Yeah, sayang. You know what, sayang?
I know.
Yeah, sayang. Okay. Madam, hello. You still there?
I think she tried her best.
Madam, we'll try another call for you. If you cannot answer us correctly, no, we cannot proceed with your... Ay, in English ko siya. Hindi tayo mag-proceed. Okay, tatawagan ko na muna siya isa. Okay, sige.
One more
Mas na,
time.
madam
You have to
naman. Tawag. Ay, walang signal naman eh. Kala, kapoy ka ba yaw?
Easy.
Ayan. Last call.
Let's call.
If not,
It wasn't for her.
oo. Hanap tayo ng isa pa nating caller. Ayan. Hello? Oh, it's still dialing. But ay,
Okay,
Hello!
Opo.
Madam, ayan.
Naririnig ko po kayo.
Naririnig ka namin pero ikaw hindi namin naririnig. De joke lang. Naririnig ka rin naman namin.
Hello po.
Hello, madam. Naririnig mo kami, sabi mo, di ba? Ma'am, medyo
Ako po
delayed
si
kasi yung
Jocelyn
live
Zambrano
natin.
Rosario, sir.
Naka-loudspeaker ka
Pero
ata
kayo po
eh.
nagchachapi po kayo eh.
Ay, kami pa talaga ang nag-chop. Oo, kasi nanonood ka, madam, ng live. Kasi nga, may feedback yan eh kapag ka, nanonood ka ng live. Oo. Madam, hello? Pwede mag-focus ka muna sa...
Nanonood po ako kanina po, pero umalis na po ako kasi sabi niyo po hindi niyo po ako naririnig.
Oh, ayan. Eto, naririnig mo na ako, madam. Parang nagagalit ka na sa akin. Naririnig niyo po ako. Malinaw
Easy,
po.
easy.
Ay, naririnig ko pa rin. May live pa rin eh.
Naririnig ko na po kayo, Miss Joel.
Pero kasi ngayon, delayed ka sa amin.
Opo, malinaw na malinaw po.
Kaso delayed ka sa amin kasi nga naririnig ka namin. Naka-live. Pwede patayin mo yung mic ng mo, ng phone mo na naka-live. Tapos mag-focus ka sa call. Hello. Ayan. We'll just wait for her. Let's give her a chance.
One more time. Like maybe
Hindi po ako naka-loudspeaker, Miss Joel.
it's almost there.
Hello. Hello. Naririnig mo ako, sir.
No choice. So, brother.
Hello, madam.
Hello po.
Delayed ka sa amin, madam. Pero anyways, madam, ano pong pangalan nyo? Madam? Sobrang delayed
Hello po,
tayo.
naririnig ko po kayo.
Oo, pero naririnig mo kami pero delayed. Bakit po? Okay, sige. We'll get back to her. Let's back. But now, yeah, it's so sayang.
It's okay, sayang. So
Sayang. But it's 50,000 pesos. But it's still
still money, bro. You know.
Yeah.
So
Anyways, I've talked to you as LeBron James.
Okay.
Now, I want to talk to the real you. Okay. So it's you now. Let's change it. It's you now. Okay. Now, can I ask what's your name? Your what they called you?
okay, actually, my name is Scott. SCOTT.
Scott.
Yes, Scott.
Scott.
Yes.
Okay. So Scott is an impersonator of LeBron James. How long have you been impersonating LeBron James?
Actually, that's go for 5 to 6 years.
Oh, 5 to 6 years.
Yes.
So, who's the one who told you that you look like LeBron James?
Actually, it's a long story, right? It's a long story. That was a kid. It was a kid, I think, back 2016, 17. Like, I went to the gym.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Okay. Like, I went to the gym. I'm like, after my workout, I'm going home. I was tired. I was like tired. So I ride jeepney. Yeah.
Yes.
So I like try to sleep to take a rest. There's a kid, like a student. He just take a picture, then he post. That time explode.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's
So
a
you
kid.
went viral.
I went viral so much. I went viral. It's a kid. I even don't know that name of kid anymore, but that kid put everything out.
Oh wow. Thank you for that hint
Yeah.
because that's also a good time for you.
Yeah,
Because
exactly,
you
exactly.
were discovered. And
Yeah,
all people,
discovered.
is it posted on Facebook or any social media?
That's what's everywhere. What's post on Facebook, but you guys know Filipino, so where they're good on sharing, good on social
Yeah,
media.
I know.
So they spread everything anyway. So also big thankful for all the Filipino people, guys.
Yes.
So Marame Salamat, you guys make me this high level because of you guys.
So you have been in the Philippines for how many years again?
We're to 8 years already.
8 years already.
Yes.
So you live here in Philippines in Parañaque, right?
Yeah,
Do
Parañaque
you
City.
have a wife like in real life?
I do have.
Wow. So is she a Filipina?
Yes, you do.
Wow. So you love Filipina. Ah. How long have you been together?
We're going to 6 to 7 years together.
Wow, it's too long.
Yes.
It's too long. It's long actually. It's long already. Do you have a kids already?
Yeah, I do have.
Wow. It's,
Two.
2 kids.
Yeah.
Oh, same. Same with LeBron.
Yeah. No,
Oh.
LeBron's 3, but me just
3 but 3 by kay LeBron.
two.
I thought it's 2 also.
No,
I
LeBron's
thought,
three
I'm sorry, LeBron James.
LeBron's
But
three.
anyways, Scott, we'll talk about it later. Let's go
Okay.
back to our caller
Let's
of
go.
the day. Hello! Ayan! I love it. Thank you so much, ate. Nakahanap ka ng magandang signal. Ayan. Anyways, ano po bang pangalan nila? Ikaw yung Jusmine, nakala ko Jasmine. Jusmio. Charot. Jusmine naman. Oh, charot. Jusmine, eto na nga, may maganda akong balita sa'yo. May kasama ako. Si mama mo. Joke lang. May kasama ako. I have a companion here. I have a guest here. And, by the way, can you say hi to our guest?
Sobrang hirap. Hi, how are you? Hello po.
Yes, sir.
Hi, kamusta?
Oh, she said she's very okay.
She's okay, nice.
Our guest is English speaking Miss Jusmine. Can you say hi to him? Ah.
I'm good po, how about you? I'm good po, how about you?
How about you daw, madam? Can you teach her daw basketball? Ako madam, paano yun? Online? Online ang ano natin?
Online
Video
teaching.
call na lang, Zoom meeting, G-Meet, ganun ba ang atake? In fairness naman, eto na nga, bukod sa magandang balita na yan, nakasama natin si Lebron, Miss Jusmine, may isa pa akong magandang balita dahil ikaw lang naman ang ating Okay Panalo guest for today at may chance kang manalo ng 50,000 pesos!
Congrats,
Yes.
congrats.
So, before we do that, Miss Jusmine, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na meron kang pagdadaanan round 1 to round 3 kung saan meron tayong mga questions na kailangan mo sagutin para makakuha ka ng cash prize na magiging pot money mo para sa ating jackpot round. So, make sure na sagutin mo ang lahat ng aming katanungan and dapat tama. Pagka nagkamali ka, lagot ka. Okay, sige, sa mga viewers natin dyan, mag-comment din kayo kasi may chance kayo manalo ng 300 pesos. So, comment tayo, tara. Comment tayo dyan, guys. Mag-comment kayo kasi nga, bukod sa ating lucky caller, kayo rin ay may chance manalo ng 300 pesos. I just said that, aside from the lucky caller, our casual viewers can also guess the answer for the question.
That's very
Yes,
nice,
and they can get 300 pesos by just watching and commenting the answer.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
Aside from
amazing.
the caller, we also have winners from the comments. So that's a lot of winners today.
Too much,
Yeah,
guys.
too much. Yeah. So guys, again, with our guest LeBron James, again, mapapakita siya from round 1 to round 2. Hindi na natin patatagalin to. This is Okay Panalo Season 5, Kalukwentuhan, Kaloka sa Saya, Kaloka sa Panalo with our special guests, LeBron James. Simulan natin yan sa Gaya Gaya Putumaya.
Hello.
Gaya Gaya Putumaya is like the talent show of our Kulukalites. So this, I know you are ready. I know you prepared for this. This is your
I wasn't
time.
aware for that.
No, I know. I feel like you're really prepared for this. This is your winning moment. Joke. This is your time to shine, LeBron. So everyone is anticipating this performance. This is like a championship game. You know what? Yeah.
The things here is, it's okay. I'm always ready.
Oh yeah. If the people will guess our answer later, of course,
Yeah.
they're also gonna win. So it's a win-win situation.
Okay.
You do your championship game here. That's a championship game also. And then our Okay Panalo Kalukwentuhan caller and also comments will guess the answer. So I think I have a gift for you. I think you're gonna use it.
I will.
Okay, now I'll gonna introduce you for your talent. So this is it. This is it, guys. Again, for 1,000 pesos for a caller and for 300 pesos for our commenters. Again, this is our round 1, our talent portion named Gaya Gaya Putumaya. So please welcome our guest for today, LeBron James. Let's give it a round of applause, guys. LeBron James. Yes, there you go, guys. That's what do you call that? That favorite host,
We call that the clown.
the crown, because
Yeah.
you're the king. You know what? When I look at the screen, I cannot see myself because you're too
Why?
tall.
I don't think so. Jump come close.
No,
to
no,
me.
no. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
How guys you think he's short?
Do I look at his son?
Actually,
Brody
for-
James, can you give me a round? Yeah, let's go. And then, diba? Ay, that's so hard.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's so hard. Do you have a handshake? You teach me.
Teach you.
Teach you. I know. That's teach me how to doggy.
That's what I want to teach you like this.
Okay,
Like,
sige.
one,
1, 2,
then.
and. Okay.
let's do
Let's do
one
that.
more
Let's go. One more. And then 1,
One.
2, and then. Okay. That's very good of you, You're teaching me how to doggy,
No, just little bit.
Now, also, you're gonna teach me basketball. But before that, we're gonna ask question first to our caller. So let's sit down. Thank you so much for... You're also a fan of Beanie. You know Beanie?
I do that.
Yeah,
I really like what
Beanie.
you
It's
do.
very famous here in the
Yeah,
Philippines.
too much. I really
Yeah,
like
and you asked and you perform.
it. A little bit only.
A little bit only. So guys, again, nako, eto na. Sa ating caller, madam, nandiyan ka pa ba? Hello. Madam, hello. Jusmin.
Hello po.
Yeah, Jusmio. Jusmin. Eto na nga ang ating katanungan para sa ating Gaya-Gaya Putumaya. Napanood mo ba?
Opo, napanood ko po.
At napakinggan.
Sumayaw po siya.
Okay, ang tanong po, anong title ng kantang pinerform ni LeBron James? Nako, wala siyang song kasi hindi naman siya singer. Pero nag-perform siya. Ngayon, anong title ng kanta? So I'm just asking, what is the title of the song you perform?
Bini po, salamin.
Okay, sorry po. Sige, babalikan kita,
Hello po.
madam, ha. Tatanungin muna natin ang ating comment section. Ayan. So, ano mga sagot nila? Sabi nila, mirror, mirror on the wall. Charot. Mirror, mirror on the mirror, mirror on the wall. Ayan. Sabi nila, salamin, salamin. May nagsabi rin ng salamin. Salamin, salamin, salamin. Nasaan ang aming pagkain? Charing. Nagugutom na kami. Ayan guys, again, hulaan nyo po for 300 pesos. I-check nyo na ng tama ang inyong mga May nagsagot, sagot Manny Pacquiao. Ano Manny Pacquiao? Why Manny Pacquiao? They answered Manny Pacquiao. Yeah, I don't know where they get the question. Maybe they get the question from last time.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I think
Okay
so.
guys. Sabi nila, go, go, go.
Oh, actually, that's my father-in-law.
That's your LeBron.
Yeah, I mean the one who comment there, Budi Navera.
That's
Father-in-law, yeah.
Okay. Shout out to
Budi
Buddy
Navera.
Navera. Oh, you know him.
Yeah, he's the father of my wife.
A father of your wife. Okay. So, it's, that's father-in-law.
Yeah.
Hi, shoutout po sa lahat na nanonood sa inyo dyan sa Parañaque City. Shoutout to all Parañaque. Basta mga taga Parañaque. Okay, hirap eh. Nag-English siya nga. Okay, madam, mabalik tayo sa'yo. Still there? What's up, bro? Charot.
Hello po.
Madam, eto na. Ang tanong natin, anong title ng pinerform ni LeBron James? So, it's time. Ano po ang inyong sagot for 1,000 pesos?
Ang sinayaw po niya is mga sinayaw po ng Bini yung salamin po. Salamin.
Again, my God. Kailangan natin ng tama ka dun sa Bini, madam. Tawag ito. Pero, mandun ka na sa title. Kailangan natin ng complete title. Again, bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon 10 seconds, madam. Alin ang inyong sagot? Ang title. Ano ang title ng pinerform ni LeBron James?
Salamin po. Salamin.
Ayan. Narinig natin ang tamang sagot. Salamin ba ang tamang sagot? Direk, ilibin mo na yan in 3, 2, 1. Salamin. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Wow. You know what salamin is?
Bini.
I know what
Yeah,
that means.
mirror.
Yeah, mirror.
Yeah. Mirror. Yoy! Miss Jasmine naman. Miss Jasmine, eto na nga. Meron ka ng 1,000 pesos. Ano yung sinabi
Thank
ko?
you po.
Dahil
Congrats.
dyan, we move on to our round 2, which is the Tumpak or Keme. This is like a version of true or false. Yeah, we will use these placards for you. Green tumpak, which means correct, and then red, which means keme. It's wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's Tagalog words, right?
Yeah, no, it's you know what Encantadia? Yeah. Encantadia is another world and we use that word there.
Ah, okay.
Yes. It's you can say Avishala Esma. Avishala. You know you can call them Avishala.
Habishala.
Yeah, Avishala. That's another word for gays. Avishala. Anyways, so LeBron,
Yeah.
you will give you will state your statement there. Can you read it?
I can read very well.
Yeah, you can read it. So that's the statement, and then our caller will guess if it's correct or not. If it's correct, she's gonna say tumpak. If it's wrong, she's gonna say keme. So for the viewers also, guys, sa mga viewers natin dyan, ganun din ang gagawin nyo. Kung true ang sa tingin yung kung true yung sa tingin nyo na sinabi ni LeBron James, gagamitin nyo ang salitang tumpak. At para naman kung mali naman, syempre sasabihin nyo ang keme. So guys, make sure po na kayo ay you're the one who will confirm the answer if it's correct or not.
Okay, good.
Okay, so we will ask them first, okay? Okay. So now let's begin. So LeBron, can you state your statement?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Listen, Madam Jusmin, listen. For everybody else, listen up, yo.
are you guys ready?
Okay.
So, my first NBA team was the Miami Heat.
Again?
My first NBA team was the Miami Heat.
Okay, guys, you heard that. Miss Jusmin, ang sabi niya, ang first NBA team niya daw ay Miami Heat.
Yeah.
Again, ang first NBA team niya daw ay Miami Heat. Kaya ngayon, Madam, bago ko sagutin ang iyong, bago ko tanungin ang iyong final answer, tingnan muna natin ang sagot ng ating comment section. So, anong sabi nila? Salamin. The answer is salamin. There's still not moving on our first question. I think they enjoy your performance like earlier with the powder and the king pose and then the salamin. Anyways, ang dami nagsasabi ng ay, iba-iba. We have, ano yung mga comment nila? Wala pa silang comment. Ano daw guys? Ang first NBA team na LeBron ang nagsabi ng salamin, hindi mananalo. Joke lang. Ayan, wala pang nagsasabi. Guys, round 1 plus, ganito po kasi ang ating format. Round 1 plus, round 2 plus your username plus your answer. So, hindi tayo magkakalito-lito. Pero, for sure, dapat Ayan, may nagsabi Cleveland Cavaliers. May nagsabi Miami Heat.
Keme po yan.
May nagsabi ng Lakers. Again, guys, ang sasabihin nyo ay tumpak or keme. Hindi, sa mga viewers natin yung tamang sagot. Yan, okay. So, Madam, ang tanong niya na ang first NBA team niya daw ay Miami Heat. Sasabihin mo lang kung tama yon or mali. Siyempre, tumpak or keme. Kumbaga parang true or false lang. Okay? Ready ka na, Miss Jusmin? May answer ka na ba?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Miss Jusmin. Pero bago yan, yes, papalabas namin natin. Bago yan, guys, may papakita lang kami sa inyo. Please direct flash your screen. This one, the viral photo of you. That's that one you're saying?
Yeah, actually, this is the first viral picture.
First, so you did multiple viralism.
Yeah, after this one is Kiapo.
Kaya po, another picture. Oh, okay.
Pandemic.
So
Please don't show it, it's okay.
Okay, guys. Okay, eto na. Guys, we will reveal the answer. If it's tumpak or keme, can you
Yeah.
hold the... wait, let's ask Jusmin first. Miss Jusmin, ano ang iyong sagot? Is it a tumpak or keme?
Keme po. Keme.
Keme ang iyong sagot? Sure
Opo,
ka na ba?
keme po ang sagot ko.
Okay, bibigyan kita ng 10 seconds para mag-isip at baguhin ang iyong sagot. Okay, sige. Sure ka na sa keme?
One more chance. Come on, let's go.
Mukhang sure na si Juan. Okay, mukhang keme ang iyong sagot. Ay, narinig pa yung ubo ko. Okay, Miss Jusmin, since mukhang sure ka na sa keme, i-reveal na natin ang tamang
Sure na po ako sa
kasagutan.
keme.
Okay,
Opo, sure na po.
napapalo na ako dito. Okay, LeBron James, you're the one who's gonna confirm if it's a tumpak or keme. Is it Miami, your first NBA team? Reveal it in 3, 2, 1. Please raise the flag cards. It's Keme, guys!
Congrats,
Which
congrats,
means,
congrats.
Miss Jasmine, you are correct because the first, what is the first NBA team you won?
Cleveland, Australia.
Cleveland,
Yeah, 2003.
2003. I haven't born. I am too young. No, just kidding. Guys, again, para sa lahat po na nanalo ng ating 300 pesos sa comment section, congratulations. And syempre, congratulations, Miss Jasmine. Meron kang 2,000 pesos sa total of 3,000 pesos. Grabe. Grabe, nakakapagod pala to. But LeBron James, may I ask before we
Go ahead.
move on to our third round,
Yeah, sure.
you have a lot of guesting already as a LeBron James. So what what do you think is the most significant or memorable? Wow, significant, memorable guesting you had as LeBron James?
That's a very tough question, bro.
Because you have a lot of guesting. But I saw you in one noontime show also.
Yeah.
And that you had a very, very good talent there, yung Salamin.
Yeah.
I saw you there. That you mastered it already. Is it your first time to be on a noontime show on that famous noontime show on TV?
Actually, I get a lot of time. It's not the first one. The first one was with. Can I pronounce the name of the show? Or no, I'm not alone.
You can say the network.
Okay, just with Kuya Kim.
Kuya Kim.
Yeah, the face like. Yeah, the face. Yeah, I was that's the first one.
That's the first one.
So
Okay.
all of that was
Memorable to you.
memorable so much. All that was amazing.
I know.
Amazing. But the difference is just energy. Energy is different. So like the welcome is there, the energy is different. So much thankful for all that. So much thankful for all that.
Yes. And we're also thankful to you.
No, I
Coming.
appreciate. Actually, I'm so happy to be here. You guys also, your welcome is I don't know how to say that, but it's high. It's too much fun here, so much thankful for that as well.
Yes, and also I've heard that you're visiting barangays to play
Yeah, a
basketball.
lot. Yeah, you know, like
You
what
play
you said,
basketball
understand.
there.
I do. Because I'm going to challenge you one-on-one later, right?
Okay, now let's do it now
You want
before we
now?
move on to the third round.
You really?
Yeah, okay, let's do it.
Let's go. Guys, I need to go with him a little bit.
So how am I going to do? No, I'm not playing basketball. I only play
What's your sport?
my sports.
Yeah.
Chess. Joke lang. My sport is volleyball. I'll play volleyball.
I play volleyball. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, my daughter, she start play volleyball as well.
Oh. But how we're going to start with basketball? Guys, panoorin niyo maigi to ha. May bihira lang tong magbabasketball ako ha.
No, it's simple thing. Just have to dribble.
Okay.
Then try to go over me. That's all.
Okay. Let's go.
Don't let me catch your ball. Like if I go
Hey.
there, you move. If I go there, you move. Yeah, like that. That's it.
Oh. Can I hold it? Can I
you don't have to hold it.
I don't know.
Just
It's
Yeah, just keep dribbling.
okay.
I will try to catch you, go away with your ball. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. You get it. That's it. That's actually the basic you have to do.
Yeah. Okay, guys, watch out on our championship game with my teammates.
Yeah, that's for sure.
And Barangay Tondo. Barangay Tondo. Okay, thank you very much, LeBron. Now, oh my God. Pagod. But anyways, we will now move on our third round. And this is a very fun game. It's a very famous party games in the Philippines. We call it here, it's not like a charades, but we call it here hula who. Hula means guess, who is like a person, who. But now, it's different. Hula who, guys. This is round number 3. Hula who. Sa hula who, guys, magbibigay na po kami ng mga clue para mahulaan natin ang ating tamang word. At pwede kayong manalo ng 300 pesos. At ikaw naman, Miss Jasmine, pwede ka manalo ng 2,000 pesos. Naintindihan mo pa, Miss Jasmine?
Opo, naintindihan ko po.
Okay, babalik kami sa Miss Jasmine. Nandito muna kami sa aming hula who. Again, this is hula who.
Hula who, let's go.
So, yan. Dito tayo. Ayan. So, parang mataas-taas to you really, to. No, so now guys, you're gonna guess the word that LeBron is talking about. And LeBron will show you guys, of course, clue. We have 4 clues there. So let's begin. What is our first clue, LeBron? It's no, you just act it. The act for that is like this.
Yeah.
You have to show it on the camera.
Okay.
Okay, our first clue is which means English. Can I hold this one? Yeah. Which means English. Yeah, that's the sign for English. Okay. For all the people there, you can now guess. Oh, naiipot in English ko yung mga commenters natin. Guys, makihula kayo. Our first clue is it's an English word. Okay, next clue. This is the action. One word. Again, our first clue, English. Second clue, one word. So guys, again, English, one word. Now guess anything related to LeBron. English and one word. So guess na kayo guys, worth 300 pesos. And of course, para kay Miss Jasmine, 2,000 pesos. Okay guys, third clue pala. Again, third clue. Okay. Ibig sabihin lang yan is one syllable. Okay, let's begin. Our first clue, English. Second clue, one word. And the third clue, yes, it's one syllable. Again, guys, English, one word, and one syllable. Guess nyo na. Hulaan nyo na po ang ating word. Related to, syempre, kay... bago natin i-act, ano mga hula nila? Kilala ko itong mga okay fam na ito. Pinaglalaroan tayo nito eh. Anong sabi nila? Cash. They say cash. No, it's not cash. Ring. They say ring. No, okay. Let's give the final clue. Okay, what's up? Yeah, the final clue. Yeah, it's like, it's a movement related to basketball, guys. Of course, it's LeBron. And he gonna shoot the ball like in this position. And then, for example, this is the... Oh, ganun guys. Nakita niyo yun? Inano niya yung ring. Ginanon niya. So, sabi ni Judith Mandeloso, ball. No, it's not ball. Let's say tall. It's not tall, guys. English word, one syllable, and then the action is like this. Yes. Ball. They say ball. No. Again, English word, one syllable, and then ang acting ay yun. Check, guys. Sabi nila, lay up. Sabi nila, double. Lay up. No, it's not one word eh. Oh, I saw. Again, guys, we have a format. Round 3, username, and then ang inyong tamang sagot. Ayan. Meron ako nakitang sagot sa ating comment section. Si Miss Jasmine kaya. Miss Jasmine, hello.
Hello po.
Ayan, nakakita na kami ng tamang sagot. Ikaw kaya, may sagot ka na?
Iniisip mo pa po eh.
Iniisip mo
Pinatanong
maigi.
ko po
Again.
siya kung ano ginagawa niya.
Sige, pwede mong i-check kung anong ginagawa niya sa, oo nga, pwede mo naman i-check sa, Wala ka bang kasama dyan na nanonood? Pwede mong i-check na mabilis. Tanong mo sa lalaki na kasama mo dyan kung ano yung ginagawa niya. Again, English, one word, one syllable, and then the acting is... Yeah, for example, yun, kamay ko yung ring. Tapos, ginanon niya. Anong action yon? Anong word pa lang? Ang dami na nakakahula sa comment section. Ako, eto na guys. Let's see if mahuhulaan ni Miss Jasmine for 2,000 pesos. Okay, Miss Jasmine, I think it's time. Let's now sit na. Sir LeBron, let's now sit. Okay, we will ask Miss Jasmine her final answer. Miss
Okay.
Jasmine, eto na. It's time para i-reveal mo na ang iyong tamang sagot. Again, English, one word, one syllable, and then the action is yung ginawa kanina. For 2,000 pesos, Miss Jasmine, ano ang iyong kasagutan?
Dunk po, dunk.
Dunk. Anong tamang sagot mo? Ay, anong tamang? Is that your final answer? Hello,
Opo,
Miss Just.
dunk.
Final answer mo na yan? I'll give you 10
Final answer
seconds.
na po yung dunk. Kasi
Okay.
nag-shoot po siya ng bola.
Kasi nag-shoot ka ng bola. O hindi mo sure kasi malay mo yun ay nagdidilig ng halaman. Kasi pag ganun, di ba?
Nahirapan po.
Ano, medyo maano yung mukha ni Lebron. It's he's disappointed for your answer.
Give again 1 more 10 seconds.
Another 10
1 more 10
seconds.
seconds. Let her think.
No, we already asked here 10 seconds. But Miss Jasmine, since you already said that you in English ko, Miss Jasmine, since sinabi mo na ang iyong sagot ay dunk, ang tamang sagot ay duck. Charot na. Duck, cover, and hold. So, ang tamang sagot, direct, i-reveal mo na yan. 3, 2, 1, it's duck! With tumpak, which means meron kang another 2,000 pesos na total of 5,000 pesos!
Thank you po.
Ayan, hinawakan ni
Thank you
Lebron
po.
yung tumpak.
Thank you po,
Congratulations,
Lebron James.
Miss Justine, meron kang 5,000 pesos. Again, ito na nga, Miss Justine.
Hello po.
Dahil nanalo ka ng 5,000 pesos, ibig sabihin niya lang ikaw ay aabot na sa ating jackpot round.
Thank you po.
Okay ka na ba sa jackpot round? O gusto mo 5,000 na lang? Joke lang. Okay, Miss
Pinawisan po ako.
Justine, eto na, para sa totoong laban, para sa ating jackpot round. Para malaman kung paano makamit ang ating jackpot prize, narito, panoorin mo. Roll BDR.
Dito sa Jackpot Round, ikaw ay magkakaroon ng pagkakataon para manalo ng up to 50,000 pesos. Meron tayong roleta na naglalaman ng times 2, times 3, times 5, times 10, at iba pa na gaya ng split at spin again na magsisilbing multiplier ng inyong prize na naipon sa unang mga round. Pero ang bawat multiplier ay may challenge, question o dare na kailangan mong gawin para ma-multiply ang iyong premyo. Sana ay makuha mo ang nakakalokang premyo, house player.
Yes! Go! Nagbabalik po tayo sa ating jackpot round. Miss Jasmine, nandiyan ka pa ba? Miss Jasmine? Ayan, Miss Jasmine, dahil tayo nasa jackpot round na natin, i-explain ko lang sa'yo ang mangyayari. Again, meron kang 5,000. Miss Jasmine has a 5,000 pesos from round 1 to 3. A total of 5,000 pesos. So, if Miss Jasmine, you go with times 10, that is our jackpot, 50,000 pesos. But we have also other option. Of course, we give you the times 2. That's going to be 10,000 pesos. It's a question. If you're gonna get this times 2, we will ask Miss Jasmine a question. So Miss Jasmine, para sa ating times 2 at times 3, sa times 2, general questions. And for times 3, another question, but it's a hard question. So if you're, pag masasagot mo ito Miss Jasmine, magiging times 3 po ang pera mo. If Miss Jasmine will be able to answer the hard question, her money will be multiplied by 3. Yes. And we also have times 5. This is not a question. It's a challenge that will be do by, of course, you. Yes, for her. And then times 10, we have times 10. For times 10, of course, it's a jackpot round. So, by the way, we have a split. So, if ever you get the split, Miss Jasmine, ang split po, i-split natin ang iyong katawan. I-split natin ang iyong price na 5,000 pesos. So, magiging 2,500 na lang siya. Pero, pwedeng hindi siya ma-split kapag nagawa ang mini challenge. So, this is split. It's like, we will divide the price. The 5,000, we will divide it into 2. But, there's an option not to divide by doing a small mini challenge. So, if you're able to do the challenge, there will no divisions. You will get the full 5,000 pesos. Yeah. Okay. So, we have another spin. So, you will just spin another. Okay. Okay. Ready ka na, Miss Jasmine?
Ready na po.
Okay.
Galingan mo po, Kuya Lebron James.
He said, galingan mo daw. You understand that? Galingan means do your best and the God will do the rest. Okay. 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 Let's spin the wheel. Oh, no. Let's move this. Okay. You're gonna spin it on your side. Yan. Okay, let's put it here. So, yeah. Okay, ready. Let's spin the jackpot round in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Jackpot na tayo, guys. Again, oh, it's times times 3. Times 3. So, it's a hard question for her. It's not you. So, let's go here. Let's go back. Since this is not a challenge, we'll just ask you. Miss Jasmine, times 3. Ibig sabihin po, hard question. Ito po ay hindi challenge. Ibig sabihin, hindi si Lebron ang gagawa para sa'yo. Hindi rin ito easy question, but it's a hard question. Kasi ang easy question natin ay yung times 2. Ito ay hard question para sa ating times 3. Miss Jasmine, bibigyan ka namin ng 10 segundo lang para magsabi ang iyong sagot. Pero babasahin ko naman ng buo muna ng 2 beses ang tanong. Again, ang iyong pera ay 5,000 pesos times 3, which is going to be 15,000 pesos for the hard question. So, Miss Jasmine, ready ka na ba?
Ready na po.
Oh, sige. Habang ina-prepare lang natin ngayong first question, gusto ko lang ipaalala again, thank you so much po sa lahat na nanood sa ating live for today. Maraming salamat po. Again, tumutok kayo. Tumutok kayo sa ating live para naman kayo ay manalo sa ating next round. Okay, Miss Jasmine.
Yes po.
Eto pala ang mechanics natin kagaya nung nakaraan. Mali pala ako. Ang mechanics po natin ay meron tayong 3 questions. So, kailangan mo, kasi nga, kailangan mo siyang masagot yung 3 question. Kailangan yung 3. Kapag 2 lang, hindi mo magagawa ang times 3 challenge natin. Okay? Kapag isa, hindi rin magagawa. Kailangan yung 3 tanong masasagot mo. Ngayon, pag tinanong kita ng first question, pwede kang mag-pass para babalikan natin siya para masagot mo ang pangalawang tanong. At kapag hindi mo pa rin nasagot, pwede kang mag-pass para sa ating pangatlong tanong. Okay? Again, 1 minuto ang bibigay namin sa'yo. 1 minuto po ang bibigay namin sa'yo para masagot ang 3 nating katanungan. Miss Jasmine, naririnig niyo po ba ako?
Opo, naririnig
So,
ko
1
po.
minute, Miss Jasmine, kailangan mo masagot yung 3 ha. Kailangan buo yung 3. Kasi pag hindi mo magagawa ang ating times 3. Kailangan 3 siya. Kahit 2 lang, hindi siya pwede. Kailangan 3. Okay? Understand?
Okay po.
Parang fast talk lang tayo ni Tito Boy. So, Lebron, just said, for time... Ay, sorry. I ano your mic. So, Lebron, for times 3,
Yes.
there will be 3 questions. So, in 1 minute, she should have answered all 3 questions. And, yeah, all 3.
Correctly.
Yes, correctly. If she cannot answer the first question, she can say pass. So, we move on to the second question. And then, once we reach the last question, she can, if she can answer that, we can go back to the previous question.
Okay.
So, you have 1 minute to answer.
We can do that.
Ready ka na ba? Miss Jasmine, nandiyan ka pa ba? Are you ready, Miss Jasmine?
Yes po, ready na po.
Okay. Magi-start yung oras, Miss Jasmine, pag sinabi ko na o binasa ko na ang unang tanong. Okay? Okay, makinig kang mabuti. Again, 3 tanong in 1 minute. Ang tanong, pwede ka mag-pass ha. Sabihin mo ng pass para mag-move on tayo sa next question. Okay, let's start this. First question, Miss Jasmine. Ilang buwan ang may 28 na araw? Ilang buwan ang may 28 na araw? Miss Jasmine, may oras to 1 minute.
Hello po?
Ilang buwan ang may 28 na araw? Anong sagot mo? Pwede ka mag-pass.
Isa lang po.
Isa lang. Okay. Next question. Ano ang tumataas pero hindi bumababa?
Po?
Ano ang tumataas pero hindi bumababa? Riddle.
Buwan na hindi
Bugtong mo.
bumabag.
Ano ang tumataas pero hindi bumababa? Bugtong po ito.
Hindi ko po alam.
Okay, pass. Next. Kung ang 5 ay 4, ang 10 ay 5, ano naman ang 2? Again, kung ang 5 ay 4, ang 10 ay 5, ano naman ang 2? You have 4 seconds.
1 po.
1. Okay. Okay, ang sagot mo, Miss, pangalan nito? Just mean na ilang buwan ang may 28 na araw ay isa. Ito ba'y correct? Ang sagot, direct ay mali. Ano ang tanong? Ang second question natin ay ano ang tumataas pero hindi bumababa? Ang sagot ay edad. Ano ang tama ang correct answer pala muna sa first question natin na ilang buwan ang may 28 na araw? Lahat ng buwan. Kasi nga lahat sila ay may 28. Lahat sila ay may 28 na araw. So yung iba dyan ay umaabot lang ng 31 pero lahat sila umaabot ng 28. So it's a tricky question. So anong tumataas pero hindi bumababa? Sabi mo ay wala ka palang sagot dito pero ang tamang sagot ay edad. Ang pangatlong tanong naman natin, kung ang 5 ay 4, ang 10 ay 5, ano naman ang 2? Ang sagot ay 6 or 6 kasi letter po ang binibilang natin. Kung ang 5, ang word na 5 ay 4, ibig sabihin 5, L-I-M-A, 5, 4 yon. Kung ang 10 naman ay 5, S-A-M-P-O, yun ay 5. Ano naman ang 2? Ibig sabihin nun, 6 kasi ang word na 2 ay composed of 6 letters. So, ganun po. So, medyo tricky po ang ating hard question. It's okay. You still have 5,000 pesos. Congratulations, Miss Jasmine.
Congratulations, Justin.
Lebron, I think you're very confused about our question.
I was out.
Yeah. Well, it's okay. It's
How she do? How she do? How was the score? She win?
no,
like,
she didn't answer correctly.
only 3.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. I see.
Yes. But still, she still have
5,000
5,000 pesos. Miss Jasmine,
Like
congratulations!
Congrats.
Thank you po. Thank you po, Joel. Thank you po, Lebron James.
Welcome
Ano po
po.
message nyo with OK Games and of course kay Lebron?
Thank you po, okay Games, kasi isa po ako sa natawagan nyo. Salamat po. Malaking tulong na po sa amin ito. Thank you rin po, Kuya Lebron James, kasi tinulungan mo po ako makasagot.
Oh,
Welcome,
sabi niya,
welcome.
you help her answering the question. I mean, earlier, the round 1 to 3. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Jasmine. Again, congratulations and maraming salamat for your claiming of prizes.
Maraming salamat po, okay Games.
Yeah. For claiming of the prizes, again, you have message ba kay Jasmine?
Jasmine. Actually, Jasmine, thank you to you as well. Thank you to everyone to join. So good luck for the next time. Give your best every single day. Then, ingat po. Salamat.
Okay, so, let's now stand up because, how's the experience here in OK Fanalo Kaluk Kwentuhan?
Actually, for the first time, my experience was nice.
Yeah, it's
The welcome, yeah, was good. Funny people around me. Also, the show is pretty more new to me, but I get adapt like a little bit faster. So I'm so thankful for that. So thankful for that to you as well.
of course
Really
naman,
thank you.
Lebron.
Yeah, the whole team, the whole production, and the whole family as well. I hope it's not only the one,
Yeah, we
first
will
time.
see you, of course. We will see you for
one.
sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, Lebron, can you say goodbye to our viewers? And then, if you have like your social media accounts that you can promote, just say it to our fans, to your fans rather.
Okay, actually, first at all, thank you to the OK Farm. OK
Yes.
Farm to have me here. Actually, I memorized the name here. So OK Farm, salama to you guys to just invite me here today. I'm so happy to be here, to the whole family, to the whole production. So guys, you guys can follow me to my social media as well. Lebron Nampinas. Facebook, Lebron Nampinas. Instagram, Lebron Nampinas. TikTok, Lebron Nampinas. So
Okay,
and also
Lebron
my
Nampinas.
family back home, my children, my loved one, everyone around the world, guys. Thank you for that.
Yes, thank you so much guys. Again, this is Okay Panalo Season 5. Congratulations po sa ating caller today, si Miss Jasmine. Dito na po nagtatapos ang panibago yung kakwentuhan tuwing tanghalian. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin, Okay Fam. This is Okay Panalo Season 5, Kalukwentuhan, Kaloka sa Saya, Kaloka sa Panalo. Abangan nyo kami every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 12 noon, dito lang sa official FB page ng Okay Games. Again, guys, this is Okay Panalo Season 5, and LeBron James, I think you will do also again na salamin. Bye, Okay Fam. Bye. Win it together. Okay. Bye again, Okay Fam.
Bye-bye, guys. Okay, fam. You should teach me that.
How?